Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and yeah, the days are off whenever I put the videos up. The one I record on Thursday goes up on Friday. The one I record today will go up tomorrow. So whenever I say good morning, it's whatever day, it's going to be a day off. So that's because I'm a day ahead, which is good because I can control the release schedule that way. Uploading videos the same day you make them is actually kind of hectic. That's why I ended up like premiering these videos at like midnight or 1 a.m. and that's not good. Anyway, got a few orders to pull. Got several going out to viewers. Actually, I think I might have sold more to viewers than I did to anybody else yesterday. So first thing I'm pulling is a laser disc. Independence Day. Got $6.99 plus shipping for this. This is going out to Ethan. He's a viewer. He said he got a Laserdisc player he needed it for. So I guess that means he's testing it. I'm not sure. But I hope, dude, first of all, thanks for buying it. And if you're doing a test, then I hope it works for you. I'm sure it will, though. Okay, I've got some NES games to pull. Okay, first order I'm pulling. This person got 3 games. Galaxy 5000, they paid $19.99 for. And then, let's see, there's a game called Genghis Khan. I just took these. These have actually been in boxes, and I just took them out. All right, here's Genghis Khan. That sold for $9.99. And then the last one, oh, what was it? I gotta go look. Okay, the other game on that order is called Metal Mech. Oh, look, there it is. Yeah, this is a little better. Actually, I need like a bookshelf, which I've been saying I'm going to get, and I will. Once I can go to garage sales, if the weather will ever cooperate again, then I'm going to find a bookshelf, a very nice bookshelf, for very cheap. But yeah, $7 for this one, $6.99. So $6.99, $9.99, $19.99 on those 3. And then I got one more game going out. Okay, the other game is called Treasure Master. Here it is, it's right here. $11.99. Where's the shipping at? Where's the shipping at, y'all? Is it under, on, or is it on top? $11.99 plus shipping on top. Yeah, at this point I am saying that just to bug a few people. Okay, so a viewer sent me one of those tile things. I put it on my keys, and right this second I am not 100% where my keys are. They're in here somewhere, but I'm not going to look real hard because I want to try out my tile app again. I've tried it once and it worked good. Let's see, keys, and then find. Oh. Man, you kidding me? I'm an idiot. Oh, that's where I'm at right now, y'all. But yeah, the tile worked. I was wondering why it was kind of... That's what it does, though. I was wondering why I couldn't hear the thing very well. That's because it was outside. Duh. All right, I'm just reviewing real quick. I was curious how my auctions are doing. And, I mean, I've listed a bunch of auctions the past few days. Let's see, a $4.99 bid on a car. This one's at $6. And all the red, of course, don't have bids yet. They all have at least 5 days left. Good Humor truck is at $4.99. Real Riders Power Plower, $6.50. Here's another Real Riders that's at $4.99, just minimum bid. This is a Datsun Z-Wiz car, $4.99. Here's one of the Sunnigans is at $7 right now. I don't know if the other son again has a bid or not. I just listed those yesterday. And then here's a Batman statue. This one's actually pretty cool. It looks like he's flying. That one's at 71. That one's got some good action. I don't remember what I started at though. I might have started at 70 actually, so it might only be like two bids or something. All right, here's a bunch with bids. As a Ringling Barnum and Bailey Ford van, 524. Here's a Baja Bug that's at $4.99. Here's a blue pickup at $7.50 and a CJ7 at $4.99. Here's a Jeep Scrambler at $4.99. Here's a motocross team van. It's one of those scene machines like Derek was talking about. That's at $13.50. And I started all these at $4.99. So here's another pickup truck at $5.75. There's a Baja Breakers van at $5.50. The Captain America motorhome is at $12.50. This one's at $4.99. It's a police car. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going through that real quick, but I mean, you can see we're getting a lot of action on these auctions so far. I also have a few other auctions that I ran on my other account. Let's look at those real quick. Yep, here's 3 auctions. I've only got 3 auctions running on my other account, and 2 of them have bids. Catwoman's bid up to 76. 13 bids, pretty active. And then this Batman black and white statue is bid up to 45. He started at 40. And then this guy doesn't have a bid yet. So those are auctions are getting some action. I think I picked some I think with auctions you gotta auction the right items, you know. Like I think all the items I'm auctioning are probably pretty good candidates. So but it's gonna be fun to see. Like I'm enjoying auctions a little bit. Just getting bids and seeing if stuff gets action or whatnot. Inevitably a thing or two with all these cars I'm putting up, a couple of them are going to have to go high. You know, people are going to fight over them or something, but it's going to be interesting to see. And I'll share it with y'all. Okay, what's next? I sold a couple of Lego things. Let's see. Not that. Some smaller sets. I should have looked at the thing. Oh, I think this might actually be it. Catwoman, Cat Cycle, City Chase. That's it right there. This is a cheapie. This is $8.99 plus shipping on top for that. And then it's in here somewhere. There it is. Kind of fell to the back. Oh, I got 20 bucks plus shipping for this big base plate, big sealed floppy base plate. 20 bucks plus shipping. Those base plates always do good, new or used. New's going to get more, of course, but if you ever see like at a yard sale or something, you see like a stack of like real Lego base plates that are good size like that, or even a little smaller, they sell great in a lot. They really do. I've made some pretty good money on base plates. All right, I just pulled this Batman right here out of my I got these guys like bagged up over here, but this Batman right here, in my opinion, it was the coolest one. That's what I think. This is like some kind of armored Batman or something. Got $29.99 plus shipping for this, and it's going to a viewer, going out to Colton. So Colton, I hope you love it, man. I think it's pretty cool. I hope you like it. Yeah, I don't see how you can't like it though. It's so badass. Okay, the last thing we're shipping today are these Durango boots. And guess what? These are going out to Courtney, another viewer. And Courtney is actually Colton's wife. So yeah, these boots are really nice. They're in good shape too. I hope you love them, Courtney. What'd you pay, Courtney? I think I took an offer on this. Let's see. Without showing y'all's information, huh? Oh wait, I gotta go back to this screen. Okay, finally found it. Yep. Courtney made an offer of $59.99, which was perfectly fair, and I took it, plus shipping on top. So thanks again, Colton and Courtney. I hope y'all love y'all's stuff. It's going out today. Shipping is done for today. I just got through editing the video. So here's the Converse shoes that y'all have seen in here before, and I've seen a few people say they want an update on it, and that's my fault because I think I've talked about it on the live streams plenty that I do on Garage Flips Live, and I also assume everybody watches every video, and I know that's just not the case because I don't watch all of anybody's videos either. So here's your update. The Converse had a high bid last week of $255, and the winning bidder did not pay. So I opened up a non-paying bidder case as soon as I could, and then now actually I can close it right now, which I'm about to go do. I'm going to close that case. That'll refund my final value fee, and I'm going to message the other bidders, like the backup bidders or whatever, see if they want them. If they don't, I'll run the shoes again. So, you know, that's two things that, and this is like meant to be constructive and positive and stuff, because I do like eBay a lot. I love eBay, but they could fix that. You know, like when somebody bids, that money, in my opinion, should automatically be paid when they win. You know, it should be like some type of escrow type thing or something, where they're locked into the bid. I don't know if there's like legal reasons they can't do that, or they just think it's a poor experience for the customers to do that or whatever. But you know, in this case, this is the person that won the auction was a one feedback bidder. I don't know what the deal is. Probably it might be somebody just screwing with me or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, so I would like to see that corrected. And really, here's three things. Can we fix that? That would be a good one. And then another one that would be good to fix would be why does it cost 10 cents to schedule a listing out? That doesn't make sense to me. Why is that 10 cents? Like, okay, if you wanted to make it a penny, okay, whatever, I'll pay you your friggin' penny. But 10 cents? I mean, that's how much the listings cost, is 10 cents. For me, I think if I go above and beyond the ones that I get for free with my premium store, the listings are 10 cents. So to schedule a time to start the listing costs double for me. So I don't understand why that's a charge. And then the other thing that I can think of right now is, and these are things, not bitching about eBay, but these are things that will make eBay better, because I think eBay is good. I like eBay, but what can we do to make it better, right? What was the third thing I was thinking of? Oh, well, whenever you go to make an auction, and you know you've been listing like buy it nows, and then you go to make an auction, and then if you leave the require immediate payment box checked, it errors out every single time saying you cannot require immediate payment on an auction or something. I can't remember what the message is. And so then you have to go in and uncheck that box and then resubmit, and then it's fine. Why can't that just automatically uncheck whenever you do an auction? Or they could just ignore it if you're running an auction. So that's three I've thought of. Let's do another question here today, or let's do a question here. Everybody that's watching this video, and this is meant to be positive, okay? This is not like a gripe session or anything. What would be one either like improvement or added feature or whatever you want to call it, what would be one thing that you would do to eBay to make it better? And this is meant to be a positive, constructive thing, okay? I'm not trying to bash eBay, because I really, really do love eBay. But what would you do to make it better? Okay, I've figured out a plan for today. And I should do this every day, right? Here's my plan for today. I am not going to stop until I list all these cars. I've got 24 in each one of these cases, and I've got 16 here. So I'm going to do 88 drafts for cars. So should have, at the end of doing those drafts, we should have starting bids 5 times 88, what was that? God, 5 times 88, 440. So you know what? I think if I just do that, and that's all I will do, because that's going to be a lot. That's going to end up being the same listing total I did yesterday, which I'm good with that, because I know for sure I'm going to be listing a good bit tomorrow, and that'll definitely take me well over the $2,500 level for the week, which is where I want to be this week. My goal in my head, I don't know if I talked about it, was I wanted to list 2,500 this week. So yeah, by the end of this video, I will have listed 88 cars, I hope. Okay, check it in. Like, this is really easy, but man, it's kind of getting boring right now, so I had to go get some coffee. Yeah, these are the ones I'm kind of working on now. This tray I'm almost worked through, and then I have all these guys. These are already photographed and bagged, but I didn't like seal the bag, so I can easily take them out and look at them whenever I go to actually create the listing. So working my way through them. It's the next day, and I had every intention of finishing those Hot Wheels listings all yesterday, and I just didn't. I got all the photographs done. It's for about 80 listings. Yeah, right at 80. It might have been an extra like 81 or 82, but right around 80. A lot of them went live yesterday, and then I have a bunch of drafts that I'm gonna put up live later on tonight, and not too long. I'll start kind of spacing them out. Some of y'all said on that last video, hey, don't drop them all at once, or it might be a good idea to space them out by a few minutes, you know, in case you have the same person going after multiple cars, which, yeah, that totally makes sense. Oh, we're in a new month. I'm going to go right on the momentum board. I'm like, oh crap, the middle of the week here, but I'll just go here and I'll sort it out later. But yesterday is 80 listings for, and I'm gonna put everything on yesterday because I did a lot of the work yesterday. I just had to finish up a lot of the listings today, but I'm gonna count this as yesterday. And let's see, that's 6 days, and then today will be well, I'll talk about that later because I'm still kind of on Friday's vlog. But yeah, that is it, y'all. Tomorrow, for like the one that I upload on Sunday, I'm thinking I'm just gonna make that a question and answer video, and I'll go through the comments from the past week, because I don't think I've done any, you know, Q&A stuff for like a week now, and I'll pull some questions and I'll make it a nice long Q&A video using the Commodore 64. That's my plan for that video. But anyways, hope y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.